Hi, everybody. Happy week 32 of health already. For this part one for the week with MCA reading tests going on, it's a shortened day for class this Monday and Tuesday, and so I didn't want to throw a whole lot out at you all because classes were only 34 minutes long. And so it was pretty straightforward and pretty simple for the lesson. Really just working on the article summary assignment for this reproduction unit and making sure that I gave you guys class time to work on that. So I just wanted to put together this little video as a quick refresher on how to do it. So right now I'm in Schoology. I'm in the week 32 folder, part one, and I'm looking at the article summary assignment PDF. So for this unit with reproduction, it kind of limits you on what you can look up because you can't look up certain things with this unit. Otherwise, it's just inappropriate or you might get restricted, things like that. So some ideas for what you can look up. Okay, you can go to Google and you can search articles about identical twins. You can search articles up about just how twins are made, how triplets are made. You can find articles about pregnancy ultrasounds, pregnancy complications, things like that. And then, you know, once you find that article, that's when you're going to piece all this together. So write down the title of the article, the website that you found it at, the author of the article, so who wrote it, and then again, this bottom part, this is where you're going to tell me what the article was all about. And then the half page in length is by you filling in all of these lines right here. So again, you find your article first online. When you find an article that you like, that's when you complete this worksheet and turn it in for the reproduction unit. If you have any questions, please message me on Schoology. Let me know. Otherwise, I'll keep this one pretty short, sweet, and to the point. Bye.